It was the start of spring and Sura school cherry blossom await in the breeze and students walked to school laughing, gossip and dreaming about the new school years and everything looked perfect on the outside but deep inside Sura's high something dark had begun to stir. Yuna, the main character, was the cheerful and kind staff student. She had a warm smile, helped everyone, and was known for being polite to teachers and friendly to juniors. But Yuna had a secret on that even she did not fully understand. Every night her dream showed her strange image and dark room flashed red light, people in white coat and her own reflection. But with glowing red eyes she had wake up whispering guessing and available to explain why she felt scared of herself at school. Everything seemed had find her best friend Rina and fashion-loving extrovert and hero, a cool but quiet friend does not notice anything wrong at first, but slowly that starts seeing small changes in her. Yuna began to lose time and moment she had been in class, and the next she had find herself in the different building with no memory of waking there. She had wake up the scratches on her arms. Other times she had her voice in her head, voice telling her to wake up to remember who she really is. Then come the transfer students, Rai and calm, seniors, serious girls with the sharp gaze, and introduced herself normally. But the moment she was Yuna, her expression changed. It was almost like the recognized her. That Sunday, strange things started happening. A teacher closed during class, lights flickered in hall, and something had the people, school's announcement. A robotic voice whispered she had waking up. The countdown was start. Yuna began to feel like this week. She began waked at night. She started exploring Surah towns, trying to find out what was happening to her. One evening, she discovered a hidden elevator began the laboratories leading to the underground lab. Inside, she found files about her. Subject 07 Project Memory Bloom Artificial Human Suppressed Personality Mood Active Falsified Activation 4 days remaining. She was shocked. Everything she knew about her life was a lie. She was not a normal, but she had been created a part of the secret government experiment to develop prefect students who could also act as living weapons in war. Her kind nature, her personality, it was all programmed. Suddenly she heard a footstep right there. I had followed her. I did not want you to find out like this. Ria said I was subject 06. I escaped the system. I come back to stop then from activating you completely. Yuna trembling asked with me because they are going to use you. Ria replied you are the most powerful subject but if you wake up fully you are lost about who was really a mode and there are be a long no going back. Meanful Rina and Hero was also investigation on her. On their now he had noticed Yuna's strange behavior and followed clues around town. Security cameras record from the hospital, even a file hidden in the principal office. Everything led to the same conclusion. Yuna was being controlled. The next day at school, the final phase began. Government agent discussed and school staff started injections chemical into the school ventilation system meant to weapon human emotions. Students began closing One by one, Hiro and Trina comforted the agent but was captured. Yuna, sensing the danger, rushed to the rooftop and then she finally confronted the director of Project Memory Bloom. He told her the truth. She was the final being of the weapon designed to feel emotions but obey orders, and no hard time bad had come as he pressed the activation switch. Yuna screamed, but instead of closing, her powers awake. Lighting crackled around her, the sky darkened. She levitated above the building, her eyes glowing, her hair rising with energy. The director slammed, but then something unexpected happened. Yuna's resistance, her human emotions, her memories with Rina and Hiro, her love for Skura Township, all come flooding back. She was not just a weapon, she was real. She was someone. She fought back. The school became a battlefield. Government donors trained the contrary. Try joined her, unleashing her one hidden power. Yuna destroyed and machine Sabrina and Hero and comforted then directed one last time. I am not your project, she said. I am not your reaction. I am Yuna and I choose one of life. With one final blast, she erased the control chip in their body and destroyed the lab benefits. Banished the school. She directed vanished into the shadows. The town repaired the schools, responded. Students returned not knowing what had happened behind the scenes. Riley disappeared, leaving only a note saying, "You are failed now. You know living a normal life." Walked to school with Hero and Helena and cherry blooms were falling again. She smiled a real smile, one she had chosen for herself, but deep inside the still felt the echo of power sleeping, waiting, because she knew one day I might return.